Welcome to today's video. Today I will teach you how to make YouTube Shorts using InVideo AI. First you're gonna go in here to InVideo in ChatGPT. It's gonna be under Explore GPTs and I will teach you how to make it. Let's say you want to make a video about Forex trading. So just say make a YouTube short about Forex trading, about how a person can become rich trading Forex instead of working 9 to 5. And here it's just going to say here are two narratives. It's always going to give you two, so you have something to choose from, and you are always going to pick the long one because it's better. So you're just going to say option 2, and then it's going to give you the script, and then just say proceed. There's no reason to change the script because it simply doesn't really matter, and it's going to say, do you want to talk to InVideo AI? Yes, I do, because otherwise it can't make the video. And now it's being generated, so you're just going to have to click this link here, and it's going to take you to this site. And it's just gonna take a while for the video to get ready. I'll show you when it's done. And as you can see now, we have the video here, and I'll just press play so you can see some of it.
Does working 40 hours a week just to scrape by sound like success to you? Imagine a life where your time is your own and your income has no limits. Forex trading offers that opportunity.
And as you can see, that's the video. It's really that simple. And you're just gonna press download. And unless you have the bought version, you're gonna have watermarks, and it's okay. Just continue, and it's gonna download. And then it just says you're number 7 in line. That's because you're waiting for server space. But it's really that simple. And as you can see over here now, it's preparing to download. And then you have your YouTube short. You can upload it to TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, of course. That's up to you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.